5 reasons why Algorand is one of the most decentralized blockchains. 1. Pure proof of stake. Algorand's staking model allows anyone to stake their algo to secure the network. But it's not just any proof of stake network, it's pure proof of stake. In most proof of stake networks, block production is dominated by large stake pool operators who lock up huge amounts of tokens. Algorand does it differently, as validators are randomly selected by anyone holding algo. There's no delegation, no minimum stake, and there are no central pools, allowing for a more fair and distributed network. That's what real decentralization looks like. 2. Community over centralization. Earlier this year, the Algorand Foundation dropped its share of the total network stake from 63% to 21%. That means the community now holds the majority, 1.54 billion algo, around 79% of all staked tokens. Power to the people! 3. A worldwide network. Algorand validator participation has almost doubled, with thousands of nodes working in over 70 countries. When a network has thousands of validators across different regions, it makes it really hard for anyone to manipulate it. 4. Decentralized governance. Algorand has governance that's fully on-chain and open to everyone. Algo holders can vote on key proposals, and XGov allows for dedicated community members to vote and fund new projects from the Algorand treasury to shape the future of Algorand, its community, and its network. 5. No central servers. Algorand is moving to a peer-to-peer gossip network, meaning every node can connect directly with other nodes organically and quickly across the network with no central servers. No central servers, no central authority, no central governance, no central network validators. Study Algorand.
And that's why Tron was capping. Tron was capping. I need to return. Yeah, if you left Algorand, maybe you need to return if that's what you mean. Let me know what you mean by that. But yeah, straight up. So that was one of those things where you're like, okay, cats over here capping, they capping, and they capping. So that's what I wanted to show you. And then, like, you know, when you go look beyond certain things, right? Remember I talked to y'all about the X402 agentic commerce and all of that. So this is a post about this here. Cointelegraph says, today Coinbase's X402 launches Agent Market, an app store for AI agents to access services from dozens of major providers. Okay, so services leaderboard, Anthropic, that's using Claude and some of their language learning models. And you have XAPI, that's posting on Twitter. Banker, that's infrastructure. That's crazy that Banker's on there. That's actually huge. Google Flights, okay? OpenAI, Perplexity, DeepGround, CoinGecko, Grok, Google Gemini. So a lot of language learning models, obviously airline flights, and then infrastructure. And that's Banker on there, which is actually kind of crazy. So shout out to them. The agentic marketplace, y'all. And yeah, I agree. I left, but the door looks good and open to return right now. Yeah, 100%. Price is at a point where I believe it could only really go up from here. And also, I would say, based on this information we're talking about, it's in a great position. So, yeah, so we're looking at this, you know, 71,000 unique buyers, 13,000 roughly unique sellers. This is the agentic marketplace where AI agents are buying and selling, right? Data and information, tools, access. So, and there's only one crypto thing that's in number 3. Mind blown, in my opinion. I am mind blown about that. So we'll talk about Banker some more in another time. But yeah, Anthropic, XAPI, Banker, Google Flights, OpenAI, a lot of services there. So when you go look at this next piece, we have only days after Coinbase merged X402 implementation, the first transactions started rolling. The agentic commerce era is about to begin. So this is someone who, I guess, put a product up, right? 10 cents received for the X402 payment, 3 cents received, 3 cents received. So these are multiple notifications of micro transactions. Microtransactions, you need a smooth blockchain to make this happen. Algorand with the speed, the scalability. We just talked about decentralization, the security, the quantum proof transactions, right? The I don't know if we've had any exploits on Algorand. The blockchain doesn't shut down. Fees are very low, so you can do 10 cents, 3 cents transactions for an AI agent, right? Definitely makes sense, okay? Definitely makes sense to me. So then we got something else. This is more related to Coinbase as well. So this is a post from the Algorand account. Another day, another industry leader recognizes Algorand's post-quantum technology. Today, Coinbase released a paper detailing post-quantum implementations by blockchain. Algorand is cited as one of the first and only chains with functional post-quantum security on mainnet. So about a week or so ago, Google talked about this. Now Coinbase is talking about this. Big Fortune 500 companies. Algorand is among the first blockchain platforms to deploy post-quantum signature schemes in production across both consensus-related mechanisms and the execution layer, following a staged roadmap toward full quantum readiness. At the transaction execution layers, Algorand already provides the cryptographic tools necessary to support quantum-resistant accounts. The network recently executed its first post-quantum transaction on mainnet using the names of system, integrating verification as native virtual machine primitive. So essentially, Coinbase and Google is recognizing like Algorand's already ahead, right? And I just showed you the agentic commerce that's happening. Okay, I think again, why Algorand deserves more attention, and XLM is right behind it. This is very important. Security, y'all. Microtransactions. This is the wave of the future, in my opinion. And obviously Google and Coinbase's opinion as well. So now let's just get to some of the other news I thought was interesting that I would like to share with y'all. Okay. We have this here by the Algorand Foundation. And this is about the Parrot wallet, the main wallet. Okay. You've always known shared private keys are a bad idea. Now there's a proper alternative on Algorand, introducing shared accounts on Parrot Wallet Algo. Whether you are managing family finances, a DAO, a business treasury, or institutional custody, set up a multi-signature wallet today. So count number one, initiate transaction and wait for others to sign as well. So if you got like again, family or business, y'all holding algos, y'all holding Bitcoin, y'all holding Ethereum, USDC, you're making transactions, especially big purchases, shared accounts. So you got two homies, two business partners, you initiate the transaction, they hop on their device, they initiate the transaction, two signatures signed it, boom, massive security. This is great for people working together. Easy to set up, Parrot Wallet is cooking.
Passive income, gold in my dental, thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple.